I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your ESIM to a new iPhone can seem daunting, but it's pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Prepare your old iPhone. Before you start the transfer, make sure your old iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. This ensures compatibility and a smoother transfer process. Step 2. Check ESIM compatibility. Confirm that your new iPhone supports ESIM and is unlocked. Most recent models do, but it's good to double check. Step 3. Start the transfer process. On your old iPhone, go to Settings Cellular, Add Cellular Plan. Tap on Transfer from another iPhone. Follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. Step 4. Complete the transfer. On your new iPhone, you will receive a notification to accept the ESIM transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. Step 5. Test your connection. Once the transfer is complete, make sure to test your cellular connection on the new iPhone. Try making a call or using mobile data to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, like not receiving the transfer notification, try restarting both devices. Good luck with your new iPhone.